In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a purchase order in QuickBooks Online. A purchase order, or PO, is a formal document you send to a supplier to confirm what you want to buy, the quantities, agreed prices, and where it should be delivered. Creating it correctly helps you control costs, prevent surprises on bills, and keep your inventory and job costs organized. Start by opening QuickBooks Online and clicking the New button at the top left. Depending on your layout, it may appear as a plus icon labeled New. This opens a menu of transactions. From there, select Purchase Order. You'll be taken to a clean form where you can enter the details. Begin with the vendor field. Choose the supplier you're buying from, and QuickBooks will fill in any saved contact details. Next, confirm the ship to information. If you're receiving goods at your office or a specific location, make sure the address is correct. Enter the purchase order date and glance at the PO number. QuickBooks will generate one automatically. It's best practice to let the numbering run in sequence for clean tracking. Now add the items you're ordering. If you use products and services, pick the exact items from your list so quantities and rates flow through consistently. Enter the quantity, rate, and a clear description. If your pricing is negotiated, double-check the rate and any discount you've agreed on. If you track sales tax on purchases, select the appropriate tax code for each line. If you don't have items set up and prefer categories, choose the correct expense or cost of goods account and describe what you're buying so it's easy to recognize later. Use the memo or message fields to note delivery instructions, reference a quote number, or add internal notes. If you have supporting documents like a supplier quote or specification, attach them to the P so everything stays in one place. Before saving, review the subtotal, any tax amounts, and the overall total. Make sure the vendor, ship to address, and item details match what you actually intend to order. A quick check here prevents mismatches when the bill arrives. When everything looks right, click Save. QuickBooks records the purchase order and keeps it ready for you to send or reference later. You can come back to it from your expenses area to view, print, or email it when needed. That's all there is to it. With just a few clicks, you've created a clear, professional purchase order that helps you manage purchasing and stay on top of your books.